All right, guys, no work in the garden today, but I did come over to Wisconsin, to the Wisconsin hidden location of our secret farm in Wisconsin. Anyhow, came over here today to clean up the big trailer. So the big trailer is looking pretty bad, and we just got a new pressure washer, which I'll tell you about too. And we're gonna clean it up. Let me flip you around and show you what the trailer looks like. There we go. Okay, from back here it doesn't look so bad, but you get a little closer and it is pretty dirty. So we're gonna see what the pressure washer can do. Here, you gotta see this side. Look at that. It's awful. Nice trailer, but awfully dirty. Say hi, Jay.
Hi.
All right, here's the first pull. All right, let's. All right, we'll be back. So as you can see, this thing cleaned up pretty well. Jay's just finishing her up right now, and but take a look at this. Look at that. Still a little bit. I guess we could scrub it off, but compared to what it was, this is fantastic. Look at this side, gleaming white. See you guys later.